In this video, I'll be attempting to clean this cylinder head with a mixture of bicarbonate of soda, vinegar and some water, and also a dishwasher, since a dishwasher has a degreasing agent. Because if there's any wax or any grease, I don't want to use a degreaser because a degreaser is too harsh, so it might affect my seals, especially on the valves that I've taken out. So I'm gonna just spray this mixture and leave it for a few hours and see how it goes, and if it works I'll add more and add a stronger maybe more vanilla and bicarbonate of soda. So yeah, I'll just spray and then I'll come back with an update. Without using any brush or waiting any longer, when I spray already the dirt is falling, so I think we might be onto something. Don't know, I guess we'll see at the end of this video. So, Mr. Lubilo, what are you doing here?
Just finished putting back the gearbox. Was doing clutch job. What a task!
I can imagine.
What a task! Gearbox is in tomorrow because now it's a bit hot. Need to button it up, connect side shafts, put some gear oil, and check gears.
Yeah,
holding thumbs
if they are selecting.
Yeah, holding thumbs at these gears.
Okay, yeah.
Because first DIY of the clutch job ever.
First try, first attempt.
Ever.
And so far, yeah.
So far, happy with the job.
Okay.
But we'll see with the results when it runs.
Yeah. And then
idles and put the gears in.
You're also one of the few people who has fuel injection on their normal 1.4 Uno.
Oh yeah.
I don't think I put it on TikTok, but I didn't put it on YouTube.
Oh yeah. No, this system has been running for just over 10 years.
Yeah.
It's done just over 100,000 case. 100,000 case.
Yeah, faithful.
It's been reliable.
And how much did you spend back then?
Jeez. All in with the management, 5 grand, 5-6 grand. Yeah.
Which is now might be 2 times.
Man, now it's more because now management alone is about what? Jeez, like all things are expensive.
No, you can buy another Uno with the money that you're going to spend to convert to 1.4.
And luckily I know a lot of it is creative.
Ah, I feel it can be. Oh my, yeah, come the engine. So I cleaned the cylinder head, and apparently the mixture did not do as well as I thought. It did the job by removing the residue from the oil gasket on the exhaust side, combustion chamber side, but then it didn't remove the residue from the coolant whereby a little rust was building up. So, but then I'm just glad it did the part. On the next video, I'll be adding the valves. I'll go and buy the valves, feed them, and then after buying the valves, I'll then buy a quality top gasket, and then after the top gasket, then put back the exhaust and everything. So yeah, in this video, that's all. On my analytics, very few people are subscribing, so a majority of you guys who are watching these videos are not subscribed, unfortunately. So please do support the channel, leave a comment, like, subscribe, share it to your friends who have Unos, or those who are interested in cars. So yeah, thanks.